I just want the conspiracy theorists to be wrong. Okay? Can they start getting stuff wrong for once? Because they're like winning too much. Can we like prove them wrong? Because we're constantly being told that we're winning a war, but when you look closely, you can see through the bullshit.
Ray ain't coming home.
Look at the Strait of Hormuz, okay? How many countries rely on that passageway, allegedly? But the US alone outspends Iran's military by like 100x. We're talking $9 billion versus 1.1 trillion. And that's not to mention all the other countries that are involved in being affected by this. So if we're so ahead of schedule, then what the hell are we doing with all that military money? Replacing TSA workers with ICE agents? Pay attention to the energy prices right now, because you'll see Los Angeles and San Francisco, they're paying like $6 a gallon. Australia shut down more than 500 gas stations so far. Does that sound like we're ahead of schedule and we're winning a war? Or does it sound like manufactured scarcity? And when the United Nations, they push these initiatives under something called Agenda 2030, we're told it's about sustainability. But the real question is, how is all this going to affect the people? Because you're going to hear about, reducing light pollution and energy usage and emissions and all of this stuff that's framed as like conservation, when the LED lights are the reason why there's light pollution in the first place. And if I'm not mistaken, they just shut down the lights in Cuba. So when they want NYC to shut down the lights after 11 o'clock for wildlife protection, quote unquote, but they still keep the LED headlights blaring through the back of your skull while you're driving, you gotta start asking yourself some questions. Since 2001, we can see the Hegelian dialectic problem, reaction, solution play out over and over and over again. A problem emerges, then the people react emotionally, and then solutions are introduced that the people would have never accepted in the first place. Gotcha. Are we allowed to say manufactured crisis on this platform, or do I get shadow banned for that one too? Because when you see the same pattern repeat over and over and over again, it's worth it to start thinking critically and to stop being manipulated by the deceit or the political science and the theater that goes on. Because look, in the first place, they have to get you uncomfortable in order to control you. So this is just one of the ways that they do it. You have to see through the bullshit. That's the first step. If you can't see through the bullshit and you keep being blindsided by it, you're never going to be able to get out of it. So that's the whole point.